Hello my scrapbooking friends. Today's video is just a quick unboxing of Camp Wonder by Fancy Pants Design. This is their bundle kit. It includes the 12 by 12 papers, ephemera, and some enamel dots. I'll do a flip through of the collection, and then we will create my first project using this kit. So Camp Wonder, big bundle, and it shows how it comes also with the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, the ephemera, and the enamel dots. Remember that the last four collections, I've already worked with two, this one, and then there is a 4th of July one. They no longer include any foam title packs. I think it's a change. I wasn't aware of the change, so I have been using titles from the previous packs just so that I still stay with the Fancy Pants collection in case you are needing it. But by all means, you probably can go stash diving and find a title from other collections to work with it. This collection is featuring obviously a camping theme, a lot of greens and browns and like marigolds. So it should be fun for those summer stories when you go camping this summer. So here is the first page, kind of like a map, and then campers. This is cute, just all the icons about camping. I mean, this is a page all in itself. This could just be hung. Really cute. A floral repeating pattern in the back. Kind of like patchwork, like patches. Camp Lodge, there's cute. A repeating blue pattern with some stamping grunginess on there. All the water bottles, very cute icons. And then a plaid. A great floral. And then the little tents. Cute. Wow, this is really pretty. A collage paper of just very good, great scenic views. I could make a great collage. And then, a picture of all the icons in the collection. Here is your 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Very cute. All the icons, camping. And now don't get me wrong. I do not camp. I do not camp. I do not enjoy the great outdoors. I do not. So we are going to be using this kit in a creative way because I have no stories to share about camping experiences. So that does make it a little bit harder for me. But look, like things like the beautiful butterfly, the florals, I can definitely take out these florals, the bugs. But some of these definitely camp themed ones will probably not get utilized by me, but they're very cute. Look how cute the little folding chair. Here's your 10 and the fire, the book bags. You definitely get a lot. And I also noticed in the previous collections too, these kind of repeat for the sticker sheet. So you kind of get them in, you can see some campers. This one's just blue. And they're here. So that's also just something to know. Like you get some water bottles that might repeat. Like this one repeats, which is good because then you don't have to, you can either use the one with the sticky background or you can use the one that you choose without it. Or at least knowing too that you have twos. Twos is good. Yeah, see, so even that one repeats. So you can see where I'm going to go probably is taking all of the little critters, the florals, and the things that can be a little bit kind of universal to use for layouts. So that's the ephemera pack. And then of course the enamel dots fit the colorway. So we got like a hunter tealy green, a yellow, a like salmon orangey color, like a moss green, and then like a light blue there as well. So let me clear off my desk and let's work on my first project using the Camp Wander collection from Fancy Pants. Okay, so with the Camp Wander collection, I decided to take out my Life Crafted album, which in essence is, I think, marketed as a binder traveler's notebook. In essence, the size is 8 by 8. So when you cut that in half, it's like 4 inches on each side, So it's actually just a smaller size. And as I'm recalling right now, I can see I used the previous collection, which was called Fairy Dreams, in this album as well. And for the record, I do complete a project, but then since I was such in the groove of using this collection on my desk, I do a second one as well on the back side of this. So two projects in the same size format. So that's how I was able to use the Camp Wander collection in my memory keeping for both my projects with this Fancy Pants collection. And this is obviously just a tip for you as well, because sometimes if a collection such as this, which doesn't really, I don't have photos or memories to document of me and my family going camping or having outdoor adventures. We are indoor kind of people, but using some of the floral elements and taking a cue for, making it work for your style or your memory keeping is just something that I will always encourage you to do. So just because, you don't have camping photos, if you like some of those B-side pattern papers, I would always encourage you to still use a collection that may be outside of your normal gravitation, because you can really make some really pretty layouts with it. So for me and this blue floral paper and the blue of that repeating pattern, we recently did my daughter's room. She is 7 going on 8, and we are transitioning her into her big girl room. Not that her room last time, or, was decorated in what she calls it's such a for babies, there was just a beautiful full length of the wall mural of a rainbow that I had done when we first moved into this house. And she also had her Barbie house in her room, and we had glow in the dark stars in her room. She didn't want any of that anymore. So truly there's no toys in her room. We moved the Barbie house outside to put it in our downstairs play area, and we removed just some toy bins and stuff that were there, and we painted it. Everything is just like a sky blue color, which actually she picked it out. It's very nice. And she got everything sort of this tie-dye rainbow theme, and we're just going to be getting some prints for the wall later on. But, the painting and and that was the thing too. She had bunk beds in her room, and now she just has a full mattress also. And since these collections don't come with title pieces, this is from a previous beach collection that was from Fancy Pants. I'm just going through my stash to get titles. And so this one worked perfectly. The colors worked. Everything worked. So voila. And then for my second project, I am using this great green floral paper, and I used it just as a 12 by 12. I cut it down and then used scraps of that blue paper that we used previously to kind of anchor it or bookend it on both sides, and that way the pattern just stays continuous across both pages in this Life Crafted album. So for this one, once again, I'm going through title pieces to sort of get where it can lay. This one is from a previous, I think it was Paisley and Petals. So I'm using those black titles, and it's in a script font. So I printed some photos, and then I have this random journaling card in my stash, but the color of the squares was a good yellow that matched the collection. So these will just be my journaling areas, which worked out kind of nicely. But even if you have some sort of marigold or colored paper, cutting them into squares, you can create your own journaling spots as well. I'm just using this journaling card that was on my desk, so that worked out very nicely actually. So it's a 3x4, two 3x4 photos that I have matted, and these were taken on my birthday recently this summer, and I just liked the two moments. And so my title, I believe, is going to be happiness, and so it's just going to be four moments or of happiness that were from that day. I will do my journaling just with a pen to paper, and I've embellished some of them with some of the other floral elements in this collection as well. And it all worked out very, very easily, very effortlessly. See how happiness kind of fits there with those foam thickers. So at least it's also having me use my stash, since these collections don't come with title pieces. So that would be the only drawback to them, is that you're not going to, at least if you're looking for the outdoorsy titles, it's not included in this kit. So just go stash diving. We all have stash, plenty of stash to use. And so that way this one will help you kind of rummage through it as well. At least it did for me, and that's always a good thing. So we always have too big of a craft room, right? So happiness today. So it's just a selfie and then me watering my plants, which always kind of brings me joy to see what's blooming, what's still growing, what's gotten bigger, what has decided to die. You know, it's just funny. Gardening is always, like I think I had mentioned, you know, it's trial and error. You know, I'm not the best at it, but I still enjoy continuing to work at it. So those are my two layouts using the Camp Wander collections. Both of them are on this video. So you got two traveler size notebooks. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Please hit that like button. That always helps my channel grow and get in front of new people. And thank you for being here. The close-ups for both projects will be flipping through shortly, and I'm just finishing up with some embellishments. That'll do it. Thank you, everyone. Bye.